Jai Hind, Namaskar. I am Abhishek. I welcome all of you on Last Mile Education. So today we have a very easy book to discuss about. This is something basic book to understand in the early stage of our English speaking. Okay, we have four virtues: to read, to listen, to speak, and to write. Okay, so in the reading section, this is something very basic to read. Okay. This is a book of 5 personalities, world's great people. Okay, these all 5 personalities are great of their countries and the world. The first is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation father. Okay. The second is Abraham Lincoln. He was the president of United States of America. And the third is Nelson Mandela. He was also president of South Africa, first black president of South Africa. The fourth is Winston Churchill. He was the prime minister of United Kingdom at the time of Second World War. Okay, and the fifth is none other than Martin Luther King Jr. He was also one of the great revolutionaries in the world. He had changed the whole perspective of thinking towards black people in America. Okay, we are going to discuss one by one all leaders in upcoming days. Let's start our discussion first with Mahatma Gandhi. The book is very small, as you can see, and it is talking only 30 to 40 pages about Mahatma Gandhi. I think 40 pages are very less. Not even 40s, okay. It is talking about in 30 pages. So in 30 pages, you can't summarize Mahatma Gandhi, okay. So let's start our discussion with his early life. He was as usual as a normal boy of Gujarat, okay. As at that point of time, child marriages was very relevant, okay. In that period, every child was married under 15, under 18. So he was also married at the age of 13 years. When he was 13 years, he got married to Kasturba Gandhi. Okay. And after his early life in his village, he went to London to complete his higher studies. When he went to London, he used to see that all are busy in fancy dresses and different accent of speaking like English, French and different languages. All are drinking wine and many more different things. That is very relevant here. He has started to copy those things. He has started to learn how to dance. He has started to copy the dresses of those kind like how to wear suit pant and all. He started to learn a French language, but after 3 to 4 months or 5 months, he understands this is all are irrelevant. There is no use of anything in our studies, in our career or in our country. So he just said bye to all and everything of those things and he concentrated on his studies in the deeper manner. Okay. There is a huge shadow, or you can say there is a huge role of Bhagavad Gita to form Gandhi to Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, there is a very progressive thought behind his intellect of Bhagavad Gita. You can say like Bhagavad Gita helped him to understand the world, to understand everything in the easy way or in the better way. Okay. At the age of 23, he went to South Africa. He went to South Africa for the law practice. He became a barrister. He went there for the law, okay. And he went to London for the law degree and he completed his law degree in London and he returned to India. Then he went to South Africa for practice of law, okay, practice of as in the court. Okay, then he went there and he saw that there is a huge discrimination on the name of color, country, origin and many more things. he was going somewhere from Natal to somewhere else in first class AC, and he was kicked off from train on the platform because he was Indian. At that point of time, India was under British control, and how can Indian travel in first class or first AC? You just go in the third class, fourth class. And he was very rigid on his terms and conditions, because he said ki I have tickets, I have first class ticket, so why should I go in the second class or third class? Okay, then he was kicked off from the railway compartment. After that, he started a movement there, and he formed Natal Indian Congress in South Africa, and he fought with Britishers on so many different points, and he made agreements on so many different points. Britishers agreed. Okay. After that, he returned to India. Okay, he done a satyagraha in South Africa. Satyagraha means non-violence, and I want to rigid on my points that I make you in confidence whatever I want from you without any violence. Violence मतलब हिंसा, and non-violence मतलब अहिंसा, without हिंसा, without मार and धड़ाम वगैरह. Okay. So he returned to India in 1915. और जो भी मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, ये बहुत एक छोटा सा समरी बता रहा हूँ of these 30 pages. This is not I am telling the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi, and I am not telling so many different stories of Mahatma Gandhi. I am just telling these 30 pages what it is written in this book. Okay. So after that, he returned to India in 1915, and he was congratulated with so many different people, with the great people of their works of life, because he was winning in South Africa. He was welcomed in a grand way on the port of India. Okay, after he met to Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and he was group of Mahatma Gandhi, we can say, because he has instructed him politically that what should you do, आपको क्या करना चाहिए now. Like Gopal Krishna Gokhale said to him कि आप पूरा देश को भ्रमण करो, go and visit the country, understand the country, understand in the better way, और समझो कि what is the problem of the people. Like be a messenger between Indian National Congress and the people of the country. Like उस समय पर farmers सफर कर रहे थे, टैक्स से सफर कर रहे थे, they used to suffer with the like exploitations, और बहुत सारी मतलब कभी कभी फेमाइन आ जाता था, कभी कभी बहुत डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती थी. तो he said कि go and understand the people of our country. Okay, and at that point of time Indian National Congress was relevant, but वो कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो रहा था फार्मर्स से. Like Indian National Congress is talking about different things, and the problem is very different. Like Indian National Congress was talking कि we need like independence from Britishers, but सिर्फ बात करने से independence थोड़ी आ जाएगी. You have to build that kind of leadership. और हमारे at that point of time different leaders भी तैयार हो रहे थे, जैसे कि it was a good opportunity for Mr. Gandhi. Like सुभाष चंद्र बोस उधर तैयार हो रहे थे, हमारे इधर सरदार पटेल तैयार हो रहे थे, नेहरू जी उधर तैयार हो रहे थे, तो एवरी वहां पे भगत सिंह तैयार हो रहे थे. तो फ्रॉम एवरी वर्क ऑफ लाइफ एवरी पीपल वाज बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द रिवोल्यूशन. हर एंगल से नया जोश तैयार हो रहा था. एंड दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम गांधी बिकेम द लीडर of Indian National Congress, because he connected with the farmers of and the common people of our country, and he also connected with the Indian National Congress. Okay, तो एक दोनों के बीच में वो कम्युनिकेशन स्थापित किए, वो एक मैसेंजर बन गए. और I have read a very beautiful and very big, actually you can say 500 pages it is of book on Vallabhbhai Patel, and there is also a movie on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. और उस मूवी में दिखाया जाता है कि how Sardar Patel used to oppose Mr. Gandhi. Okay, and when he listened him, तो उसके बाद उनका थॉट्स कैसे चेंज हो गया, एंड बिफोर लिसनिंग टू मिस्टर गांधी ही यूज्ड टू वियर ब्लैक कोट पैंट एंड ऑल। और जब वो सुनते हैं गांधी जी को तो उसके बाद वो खादी का कपड़ा धारण करते हैं और मतलब बिल्कुल वो सब कुछ त्याग देते थे जो वो इलीट वाले लोग करते थे। और उस समय वो क्लब जाते थे और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चीजें सिगरेट वगैरह अपना वैसे पकड़ कर पीते थे, लेकिन ही रिफ्यूज एवरीथिंग एंड ही केम टू ज्वाइन मिस्टर गांधी। ओके, सॉरी यहाँ पर थोड़ा इलेबोरेट हो गया, लंबा हो गया। ओके, फिर उसके बाद गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले से मिलते हैं। फिर उसी टाइम एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम देयर वाज अ ह्यूज क्राइसिस इन बिहार। ओके, उस समय तक गांधी थे, महात्मा नहीं बने थे, गांधी थे। ओके, at that point of time in 1919 there was a huge crisis in बिहार चंपारण। वहां पे क्या हो रहा था कि नील से रिलेटेड कुछ मैटर हो था जो कि ब्रिटिशर्स उस समय चाहते थे कि नील उत्पादन हो और नील का ये लोग अपने मन मर्जी से खरीदारी करता था। और आफ्टर दैट उनका जो एग्रीकल्चर के लिए खाने के लिए गेहूं अनाज था वो भी उनको नहीं मिल पा रहा था उस एंगल से फार्मर्स को चंपारण में। तो फिर क्या होता है कि चंपारण के फार्मर्स परेशान हो जाते हैं। दे स्टार्टेड टू लाइक स्टारवेशन से कोई मर रहा है, कोई कैसे भी, मतलब देयर वाज अ ह्यूज क्राइसिस इन चंपारण। तो वहां पे गांधी जी जाते हैं और एक बहुत बड़ा रिवोल्यूशन होता है, एक बहुत बड़ा वहां पे मूवमेंट होता है एंड देन ब्रिटिशर्स केम्स टू द पॉइंट। ओके, आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद खेड़ा एक मूवमेंट होता है और उसके बाद फिर बहुत सारा मूवमेंट कंटिन्यूअसली होता है। हम उसमें डिटेल्स नहीं जाना चाहेंगे बिकॉज इट विल टेक लॉन्ग टाइम एंड यू हैव टू ओनली अंडरस्टैंड द पर्सनालिटी। ऐसे हम लोग कर सकते हैं दैट वी कैन रीड दिस इजी बुक्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द बिग पर्सनालिटीज बिकॉज वी अंडरस्टैंड little things about everyone, the great personality. Let's talk about Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Nehru ji, and even Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. We know each and every people. So why we can't understand them with the written forms? We can also record an audios. We can do many more things if we want. Okay. फिर नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट होता है इन 1920 और 22। 15 में वो आते हैं 1915 में। फिर 19 में हमारा चंपारण सत्याग्रह होता है और फिर नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट हमारा 1920 में होता है। लाइक वी डोंट हैव टू कोऑपरेट द ब्रिटिशर्स विद देयर टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन। वी विल वियर द एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम देयर वाज नो अ सिंगल इंडस्ट्री इन आवर कंट्री, इन आवर इंडिया। सो मतलब ये लोग बोले कि वी विल वियर आवर ओन क्लॉथेस मेड ऑफ आवर खादीज एंड ऑल। ओके, वी विल नॉट कोऑपरेट यू। ओके, फिर उसके बाद सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट होता है कि आई विल नॉट ओबे यू, आई विल नॉट फॉलो योर ऑर्डर, आई विल डिसोबीडियंस यू। ओके, आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज अ ह्यूज मार्च दैट एवरीवन नोज दैट दांडी मार्च हमारा होता है, दांडी यात्रा होता है। इन दैट साल्ट पे बहुत ज्यादा टैक्सेस बढ़ जाते हैं। तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम गांधी जी ब्रेक दैट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन विद दांडी मार्च। 300 समथिंग किलोमीटर he walked for the Dandi March. That was a great march in the history of India. After that, in 1947, Quit India movement start होता है, and after that, you know everything. That in 1947, we got the independence with the help of all people of our country, even all leaders, all great leaders of our country that we do remember or we do not remember. And this is the opportunity on upcoming 15th of August. You can prepare a speech of 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you can give a speech upon those great leaders. Okay, so this is the first personality in this book, Mahatma Gandhi. Other day we will discuss about Abraham Lincoln, Nelson Mandela, Winston Churchill, and Martin Luther King. Okay, so Jai Bharat and see you tomorrow.